A 20-month-old girl has died in Catalonia after being struck by a large hailstone as fierce storms raged across parts of the northeastern Spanish region, raining down the largest stones seen in 2 decades and injuring dozens of people. The girl, who has not been named, was hit by the hailstone during a storm on Tuesday night in the town of Bisbal in Girona province. She was taken to a hospital in the provincial capital, but died of her injuries in the early hours of Wednesday. "We've had the awful case of the little girl who was hit by a stone," the town's mayor, Carme Val, told Spain's national broadcaster, RTVE, on Wednesday morning. "There wasn't much that could be done for her and she died today. It was a terrible accident." The mayor told the Catalan radio station RAC1 that hardly any rain had fallen, just hailstones that were up to 11 centimeters wide. "The hail fell for only 10 minutes, but it was 10 minutes of terror," she added.